Tired of polish that never fully cures or chips way too fast? Today I've got you covered with the 5 best UV nail lamps on Amazon. From fast curing times to smart features and durability, I'll break down what makes each lamp stand out. And yes, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's get those salon quality nails at home. Number 1. Overall best pick, the Bullison cordless rechargeable UV nail lamp. The Bullison cordless rechargeable UV nail lamp, 54 watts, is a game-changer for at-home gel nails. Its cordless design makes it super portable. I've used it comfortably while traveling or prepping nails on the couch. The metallic reflector and metal base evenly distribute light for faster, more consistent curing, and the 54-watt power really speeds up drying. The rechargeable battery lasts through several manicures, and the fast charger recharges it quickly. On the downside, the device does get quite warm during use, and its metal housing makes it a bit heavier than plastic alternatives. Still, for cordless convenience and solid performance, it's an excellent pick. Number 2. My second best pick, the Aedavey cordless nail lamp. The Aedavey cordless nail lamp is a super fun and practical pick for DIY gel manicures. Its rechargeable design offers 2 to 5 hours of cordless use after a full 3-hour charge, so you're not tied down to a wall. The full touchscreen LCD lets you toggle between 4 timer modes, 30, 60, 90, and 120 seconds low heat, which gives great flexibility depending on your gel type. The 365 plus 405 nanometer dual wavelength LEDs properly cure a wide range of gels. The sparkly rhinestone design is cute, especially for personal use or gifting. On the downside, because of its decorative top, the unit can be a bit bulky and heavier than simpler models, something to consider if you're looking for ultra-minimalist gear. Number 3. My third best pick is the Googur 168-watt UV LED nail lamp. The Googur 168-watt UV LED nail lamp packs serious power with its 42 light beads and 168 watts, meaning your gel polish cures fast, even bulky coats feel properly set. The automatic infrared sensor turns the lamp on when you insert your hands, making it super convenient and hands-free. I really like that it offers 4 timer settings: 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and 120 seconds low heat, so you can adjust based on your polish type or comfort level. The removable bottom tray is great for cleaning or doing toenails. On the downside, its high wattage can make it feel quite warm during long sessions, so you might need to pace yourself. Number 4. My fourth best pick is the Mart UV LED nail lamp, Ghost Neck 39 watts. The Mart UV LED nail lamp Ghost Neck 39 watts is a surprisingly practical and cute gadget. Its flexible gooseneck allows you to angle the light perfectly, especially helpful for tricky spots like pinkies or thumbs. The 12 dual wavelength LEDs cure a wide variety of gels quickly, and the built-in auto sensor, with 4 timer settings, 10S, 30S, 45S, and 60S, makes the curing process really intuitive. It's cordless thanks to a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery, so you can take it anywhere. The charming flower-shaped design is a fun bonus. On the downside, its 39-watt power means it may not cure super thick or builder gels as fast as higher-watt lamps. Last but not least, my fifth best pick is the Nail Girls UV LED nail lamp. The Nail Girls UV LED nail lamp 168 watts is an efficient tool for at-home gel manicures. With 42 well-placed LEDs, it can cure a wide range of gel polishes quickly, helping you save a lot of time. The built-in auto sensor turns the lamp on as soon as you slide your hand in, and the 4 timer settings, 10S, 30S, 60S, and 99S low heat, give you flexibility for different gel types. Plus, the removable base makes it convenient to switch between manicures and pedicures. On the downside, the 168-watt output can generate noticeable heat during longer sessions, which might be uncomfortable for sensitive skin. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite UV nail lamp? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.